Do you want to see everything that I bought in January for my crafting and my planning and my journaling? Stay tuned. Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Calm Design, and today I'm going to share with you what I have bought in January that is planning, journaling, scrapbooking related type stuff, and what I've used. So if you remember last year, 2024, I was doing a budget and I was trying to stick to a budget each month and each quarter, and I just decided at the end of the year that that just wasn't for me. I am not about that life of denying myself when this is something that I really enjoy doing. This is I don't drink, I don't smoke, you know. What vices do I have? I have my gym membership. Like, this is my vice. This is my thing that I do for enjoyment. I am not going to deny myself. That's how I'm feeling about it. So, what did I buy in January? I started off, I did a trip to Hobby Lobby. I did a trip to Dollar Tree. And I bought something on Amazon. So let's go over what I bought. Firstly, I bought this. I wanted one of these back in, I think it was November. It could have been earlier than that, like sometime last year, when I was watching a lot of the December Daily stuff, and then I decided to do December Daily, and basically it's a fuse tool. If you've not seen this before, if you have, I'm going to say plastic, like the page protectors. So if you have the page protectors like this, and you put something in there, and you want to make it like a shaker pocket, or you want to make sure it stays in there, this basically does this line, like the fused line. You just plug it in, it heats up so that the end gets hot, and then you just, there's a little ruler that you have with it, you just roll it along the edge and it seals the pocket. So it seals the pocket page. That is the first thing that I bought. Now, I have yet to play with it because I've been sick this week, as you know. So yeah, I've yet to play with it, but I'm hoping this week I get to play with it. Again, I will try and link that down below in case you're interested in playing with things. I bought 4 things from Hobby Lobby. The first is this. This is a stamp binder. Now, I'm not going to use it as a stamp binder, I don't think. This is basically, and these weren't in here. These ones were, these weren't. So I've put these in myself. But these are stamp binders, so supposedly, like, you put your stamps in there. I don't think that's how I'm using it. Maybe that will change, I don't know. I don't think that's how I'm using it. And you put your stamps in there to store your stamps. What I'm thinking of using this for is just as a memory keeping book, because there's a couple of memory keeping projects that I want to do. That's what I'm thinking of using this for. It's just a 3-ring 6x8, I think. Yeah, 6x8. So all of your 6x8 page protector things will fit, but this was like $9. It's a really cheap option for doing your own albums. I have an album in mind, I just need to start the project. What else did I buy from Hobby Lobby? I got this washi tape. I got these for 40% off. The one thing that I thought about this was the foil. Just reminded me of some of the foil in some of the Happy Planner sticker books, not necessarily for Valentine's Day, but yeah, it just reminded me of the few of the stickers in, like the foil, the red foil in the Happy Planner books. So that's why I bought this. Again, it was 40% off. One of the other things that I bought were these. These are just like balsa wood hearts. They were $2.49. They were on 40% off sale. Again, these are more for crafting projects and stuff like that. I had the snowflakes that I used in my December Daily, and I was just like, yes, I'm just going to buy these. There's a couple of them that I don't really like as much. I don't like those as much, or those, but the rest I actually really like. But we can figure out projects for the other ones. But for 40% off, that makes it like Dollar Tree equivalent. And then the final thing that I bought were these, which I've already used. This is a big, like, alpha and number set. They have the numbers as well. I use the numbers in my Project Life. This was on sale for, I think it was $1.70. You can't beat that price, so I picked these up. The font is very weird, but also I like it because I like this weirdness. I like the weirdness, but you get a ton. There's like 8 sheets there. So that was what I bought from Hobby Lobby. And then we come into the stuff that I bought from Dollar Tree. All right, so this is everything that I got from Dollar Tree. I picked up this pack of vellum. There were 6 sheets. I'm putting a few sheets in a care package to a friend. And I just wanted this for Project Life more than anything, but I could use it in any project. I'm like, I've cut it down into the little pocket page things, like 3x4. Perfect. So that is going to go in my stash. Again, there were 6 sheets for $1.25. I got these 2 that were $1.25 each. There are 24 sheets in the pack, and you can see here they're kind of like funky designs. They're actually quite thick. I was not expecting that. I was expecting paper. These are not paper. These are thick cardstock. So as you know, I have been doing Project Life and I've been using the tissue boxes. I just love the designs. These are from Trader Joe's, but yeah, I just love the designs. I'm like, well, maybe I just pick these up because look at that. Now that I'm looking at this, this reminds me of Scar from The Lion King, from the Villains book. I thought even if I just use a few of them in the pack, then I'm golden for $1.25. Now I want to see whether this is paper or cardstock. This is also cardstock. It is not flimsy. So although it says paper pack, that is not paper. You get 2 of each design. Or what did I say? There's 24, so there's 12 different designs. That's a little bit weird. That's fun. That is a surprise because I was expecting paper. When I've bought them before from Dollar Tree, they've been very flimsy, like very cheap paper. That was a pleasant surprise. So I picked up as well one of the little photo albums. So here's my plan. I bought this purely because it's compact and it closes. So this is just a 4x6 photo album, right? $1.25. My plan is that because I've saved all of these, all of the sticker sheets from the clear stickers, I cut them down and put them in here. I'm just going to check that they are 4x6. I think they are. Oh, they're a little bit bigger. 4 1/4 by 6. So my plan is that all of the stickers that I'm trying to use up, I put in here, but I put them in kind of a color order. Maybe I have a red section and just do it, you know, like that. But you'll know that I've got a bunch of sticker sheets with like dots on them and stuff like that. I'm like, I want them in one place so they actually use them. I'm like, if I put all the yellow together, all the green, like I've got St. Patrick's Day in here. There was another sticker book that I was doing recently that had St. Patrick's Day. Oh, the seasonal book. And I'm like, if I can put all of that together, I can do on a St. Patrick's Day a green journal spread, like St. Patrick's Day spread. But because it's dotted about in 60 different books, I don't know where anything is. So that's why I've bought that. I bought these. I'm not going to open these because these are actually ones that I'm sending to Rini, but they're basically just hearts. Like, again, that kind of thin balsa wood hearts. They had a few different designs. There's 24 in the pack. They had a few different like shapes of hearts. Got some that were asymmetrical, some that were more like plump. And then there's these hearts. Those are one of the things that I bought. And then because I bought the fuse tool, I wanted some more glitter and sequins to put in the little shaker pockets. And I was like, okay, they have these colors right now, the pink and the reds for Valentine's Day. And then I've got blues and greens here. I love these. Of course, I need to find something to store these in other than the little things, but that's a problem for another day. So yeah, that's everything that I bought in January. All right, and on the things that I have used list is all of this. It's all of this. Now, I've used a whiteout. Oh, I used a pen. This is not even like a I'm going to say a planner safe pen because it bleeds, but I finally used one of these. I don't even remember what I was using it for, but it's all done. Happy Planner sticker wise. $16 sheets of just Happy Planner stuff, and then a sheet of printables, and then a few other little scraps and washi tape and stuff. I didn't think I'd use that many. That is fantastic. For this, I'm going to keep the clear ones, and I just take the background off, and then I will cut those down and put those in there. All right, that is my video for today. That is my update on what I've bought in January and what I've used. I am pleasantly happy with the amount of stickers that I've used there. That was a big surprise, and I'm all about that. That is so good. I'm feeling happy with myself. Now, I want you to let me know how your January went. Did you buy anything? If you did, what was your funnest purchase? Let me know down below. What was your fun thing that you bought? How many sticker sheets did you use in January? I am stoked that I've used those. If you enjoyed this, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.